In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off digital crown on your Apple Watch SE series. The digital crown on Apple Watch SE can't be completely turned off. It's a core hardware button for scrolling, zooming, Siri, and going home. But you can limit or disable certain functions if it bothers you, like water triggers, zooming, or accidental Siri activation. Let's see how to do that. Option 1. Let's disable Siri via digital crown. If Siri pops up by accidental when pressing the crown, then on your watch app, press the crown to go to your settings app. In settings, you have to scroll down and tap on Siri. Here you get this option, press digital crown. So you have to turn off this option. Option 2. Lock the digital crown during workouts or water mode. When swimming or using water lock, swipe up for control center, or you can press this power button to go to your control center. In control center, scroll down. Here you will get this water drop icon. All you have to need just tap on that to activate or lock the screen and digital crown. Now if I press on my display, as you can see, my display is not working. If I press the crown, as you can see, my crown is not also working because I've successfully turned on the water lock option. And then to unlock, turn the crown until the screen says unlock. So just long press the crown, and that's how you can just go ahead and disable the option. Option 3. Turn off zoom. If crown controls zooming, then go to your watch and press the crown, and from app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on accessibility. In accessibility, tap on zoom, and then just turn off the zoom option. This prevents crown from zooming in out on the screen. And that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.